Here's one for the NASCAR fans. 2002 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Dale Earnhardt Signature Edition. And listen to this. One owner, clean Carfax, no access indicated, confirmed miles, less than 600 miles in this car, showing 515 right now. Of course, the very reliable 3.8 liter underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. Take a look at the front fascia. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. And you can see how nice of condition the paint is on the nose of this car. The unique license plate there. There is the filler panel for the front. That is still with the car, as well as a lot of other paperwork. I'll get into that just a bit. First off, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included with the purchase price of this car. That may be extendable up to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Correct wheels. I've not noticed any modifications on this car. Now, I mentioned some of the paraphernalia, paperwork, that type of thing it's going to come with. The letter of authenticity. There's a license plate filler I mentioned earlier. Window sticker. There's actually a Dale Earnhardt license plate. Original owner's letter. You can see that all in the still pictures too, so take a look through there. With that window sticker, you'll be able to see exactly how this car was equipped. It does have sunroof, as well as the SS Preferred Equipment group. So check out that window sticker. Tell you exactly how the car is equipped. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors also. But with only 500 some miles in this car, it still smells new on the inside. No surprises on this one. uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through the still pictures. There'll be undersides, interior, engine bay, over 100 pictures online. Really free of any nicks, dings, or scratches that I have noticed on this one. And you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. The reflection coming off of that. Let's look at the interior. Not only does it smell new, it looks new. Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, mirrors. And really no wear on the seat. It's not even really starting to wrinkle like the natural hide of the leather will do. Of course, your steering wheel controls for radio, also cruise. This does have the AM/FM cassette CD radio in it, which would also be an option. And start it up, let you hear it run. We'll check out that engine bay. There it is, 515 miles. No check engine lights, warning indicators, anything like that. Just the fact I don't have my seatbelt on. Top of the dash. Looking good. Of course, dual climate control down here. The heated seats in the center console. And even a Dale Earnhardt number 3 steering wheel cover. By the way, 3,333 of these actually produced. This particular one is number 2,590. That's on that letter of authenticity. Sounds as you'd expect. Let me pause this 1 second, pop the hood, let's check out this engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video. Look at the hood liner. Brand new. Engine bay, what you'd expect. That kind of miles on it. This thing literally looks like it rolled off the showroom floor back in 2002. $3,800. Series 2 V6, and I did slide that sunroof open when I popped the hood too, just to show you that it is working. 2002 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Dale Earnhardt Signature Edition. One owner, clean Carfax, 515 miles showing on it right now. As it gets moved around, that may vary just a couple miles. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2002 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, the Dale Earnhardt Intimidator Edition. The amazing thing about this car, first of all, is it has currently 512 miles on it. Super, super low mile car. Everything is like new on this car. I'll just come out and say that. Our gauges are working fine. We have 3/4 of the way on the volt gauge, 3/4 of the fuel gauge. Oil pressure is also about 3/4 of the way up. The temperature, less than halfway, right where they should be. Factory tachometer working well. Factory stereo working well. Air conditioning is blowing ice cold right now. If I let go of the steering wheel, she stays perfectly straight in the lane. Very smooth ride, quiet ride. We have a power moonroof over our head. This is an automatic on the center console. Brakes working well. Corners very well, doesn't lean much in the corners at all. Very comfortable leather bucket seats. If you were looking for one of these, this is the one. Super low miles. Take a look at all the pictures, read about it at Unique Class.